This video is going to cover the irregular verbs ser, estar, and tener in the present tense. So go ahead and open up your notebook to the next available blank page and let's begin. So our objective for today is by learning the verbs ser, estar, and tener, we can describe people and things as well as talk about what they have. We've already seen the verb ser before, and we know ser means to be. So when we conjugate it, we know that conjugating a verb means changing it so that it tells who is doing the action in each case. So soy, I am. Eres, you are. Es, he or she is. Somos, we are. Sois, y'all are. And son, they are. Okay, so this is just a quick reminder. Even though we have a lot of verbs in Spanish that are regular and follow the regular verb patterns, we do have several irregular verbs as well, and ser was the very first one that we've talked about. Okay. This is the verb estar. Estar also means to be, but according to our poem here that says for how you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. In this case, a star is a different kind of to be. So we have, first of all, the six forms: estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. And just like always, these are going to have the same translations of the verb ser. So estoy, I am; estás, you are; está, he or she is; so on and so forth. The verb ser is used for describing things, and the verb estar is for location, emotion, and temporary conditions. So ser would be things like the book is blue, the man is old, versus estar where we're saying things like I am in the kitchen. That am is going to come from the verb estar instead of the verb ser because it's location. She is sad. When we're talking about a feeling, we need the verb estar instead of the verb ser. Okay. And then our third irregular verb that we're covering is the verb tener. And tener means to have. So we have tengo, I have; tienes, you have; tiene, he or she has; tenemos, we have; tenéis, y'all have; and tienen, they have. Okay, so with the verbs ser, estar, and tener, you're going to have to memorize all six forms and what each of them mean. So probably your best bet for that is to create a flashcard with each verb form on it and write its translation on the back just to help you memorize it. These are kind of like sight words in English. It's something that you're going to need to just be able to recognize and move forward instead of having to stop and think about the translation and the conjugation each time that you use a verb. So ser, estar, and tener are three verbs you're going to see in almost everything. So it's going to be really important that you memorize all six forms of each of the verbs. Okay, so real quick here, repasamos, let's review. Please look back through your notes and ask yourself, have you replayed the video to catch anything you missed or needed to review? And did you write down at least 3 questions over material you didn't understand, or 3 questions to help you review for the test? Remember, that's part of your note grade to have those questions included. So make sure that you jot them down, and if you have questions over something you didn't understand, make sure you ask me in class so I can go over them. Thanks.